Okay, hello everyone, guys. Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. My name is Afreen Ma'am. I welcome you all to today's session. Hi, Ruchi. Hello, Hema. Hello, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Audio, video, everything is clear, working fine? Yes or no? Hi, guys. Good evening. Audio is clear, video is clear, everything is good, everything is working fine? Yes or no? Hi, guys. Hello. Where are everyone? Where are everyone? Please just share this link to each and everyone so that they can join the session. Hi guys, good morning everyone. Good morning. So today we are going to complete PPB module A everyone, right? Which is a very important module to all of you, right? PPB module A. Let's start discussing because module A is a very lengthy module. So we have to discuss some of the important questions related to module A. Okay, hi Krishna, hi Gopal, hi Ruchi, hello everyone. So let's start discussing. The very first question is you have to select the correct statement here, everyone. You have to select the correct statement here. When a Hindu dies, leaving a business, it passes on to legal heir. If leaves a male child, it descends to them. The property become a Hindu undivided property. The members of the family are called as kartas, and the eldest male child is the manager of or the co-partners, right? Daughter, whether married or unmarried, are recognized as co-partner. The eldest female member of the family cannot be its karta in a HUF. You have to select the correct statement here. Hi Somu, hello, good morning. So you have to select the correct statement here. Everyone, please answer this question. So everyone, let's start discussing. Okay. So Ruchi is saying that only 1 and 3 is the correct statement. And everyone else, just please answer this question. Everyone, you guys. So we have to select the correct statement here. So the correct statement is what? So, everyone, please answer this question. So, Krishna is also saying C. Gopal is also saying C. So, if we talk about the correct answer here, yes, when we are talking about this Hindu undivided family concept, first is the correct statement or the definition of a Hindu undivided family. The members of the family are called as kartas. No, karta is actually the manager, you can say, the eldest male child. Okay, and the eldest male child is the manager or the co-partner. It is known as the karta, and that's why second is wrong. Daughter, whether married or unmarried, are recognized as co-partner. Yes, it is correct. The eldest female member of the family cannot be its karta first, because see, 2005 Delhi High Court ruling says that yes, the eldest female child of the family can also be its karta. Okay, it is choice. Okay, so if there is a eldest female child present, she can be a karta. It is not necessary that she should be a karta. Okay, so if there family decide, right? So eldest female child can also be the karta of Hindu undivided family. It is the 2005 Delhi High Court ruling, and that's why only one and third is the correct are the correct statement, and the second and fourth statements are wrong. Okay, everyone, good. Yes, everyone just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. Everyone just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. Next, see. Now you have to select the situation here. Okay. I'm just turning off the camera so that you can just focus on the question here, everyone. A manager is reviewing several account opening requests. Consider the following situation. Situation one, a 14-year-old minor want to open a current account, but his father can operate it on his behalf. A Pardanasheen woman wishes to open a current account but prefers to have her brother handle it for her. An illiterate person comes to the bank with a trusted friend to help him with the account opening process. A blind entrepreneur want to open a current account to manage his business financing. Based on the bank policy, which of the following group cannot open the current account? Which of the following uh, uh, can open the current account? You can say which of the following group can open a current account on their own. You have to answer this. Can open a current account for this. Everyone just read out the question. So based on the bank policy, which of the following group can open a current account on their own? We have to select the correct statement here, everyone. So Rigved is saying A, situation A only. Hema is saying first and third can be the correct answer, and everyone else. And everyone else. So you all remember in a chapter, I have told you a situation where the current account cannot be operated by whom? First of all, the current account cannot be opened by a minor. In a minor, an account need to be opened, then the account of minor can be opened and operated by the natural guardian. So in case of minor, you have the flexibility here. Generally, minor is not going to have a current account in general, right? But here some flexibilities are given that if in case there is a minor who want to open a current account, the current account is offered to them, but his father can operate it on the behalf. So there is a flexibility in this situation. So this situation, yes, this they are allowed to open a current account in this particular situation. Whereas when we are talking about the current account, a complete parda nashin woman cannot open the current account. Now, what is a complete parda nashin woman? See, if you are seeing me, I am in hijab, right? So I am not a complete Parda Nashin woman because my face is visible, my hand is visible to all of you, right? So I'm not completely Parda Nashin woman. So I'm half Parda Nashin, right? But a complete Parda Nashin woman means everything is in veil, okay? Only eyes is visible. So that woman is not allowed to open a current account, okay? There is an illiterate person who is not allowed to open the current account. Blind person is also not allowed to open the current account. So there is a strict no whether their brother want to handle or friends come with it, or there is a current account to manage their finance, nothing. Okay, there is no flexibility in these cases. So only situation one is the correct answer. Only situation A is allowed to open the current account because there is a flexibility in this case. There is some flexibility in this case, everyone. Okay, so understood, everyone. Okay, any doubt in this question? If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt. Everyone, just please at least like and share the video to the maximum you can. Whoever is watching this session, at least just please like the video, everyone. At least just please like the video. Okay, done. No doubt. Everything is clear till now. Yes or no? Clear? Okay, can we move forward then? Okay, next situation. Choose the correct statement here. Now you have to choose the correct statement here. Yes, you have to choose the correct statement here. Everyone, you have to choose the correct statement here. The minor accounts should be allowed to overdrawn. Okay, the first statement is saying that the minor account choose to be allowed to be overdrawn. On the minor attaining the majority, the guardian is still allowed to operate the account. Banks are free to fix the minimum age at which they allow the minor to operate the saving bank account independently. You have to choose the correct statement here. Now, everyone, you have to choose the correct statement here. Ruchi is saying D, Krishna is saying D, Gopal is also saying D, and everyone else. And everyone else, please answer this question correctly. Everyone, you guys, choose the correct statement here. You have to answer the question correctly here. Okay, so Rigved, you are saying that all of the three are the correct statements. See, again, read out the question carefully. I'm not asking the incorrect statement. First statement is the minor account should be allowed to overdrawn. Yes or no? No, minor account is not allowed to overdrawn. Okay, so this is the wrong statement. On minor attaining maturity, the guardian is still allowed to open the current account. False. Wrong statement. Bank are free to decide. Yes, normally they are giving a base age, but bank are free to fix the minimum age at which they allow the minor to operate the saving account independently. So obviously, third is the correct answer, and first and the second is the correct incorrect statement. Yes, all of you means maximum students are correct. Only third is the correct statement here, right? So D is the correct statement here. You have to choose the correct statement. Yes, only third is the correct statement here. Cool. Everyone, good. Next, for a safe deposit locker, a customer can make how many nominees? Only one, four, more than one, or two? Everyone. So this is a previous year question. So for a safe deposit locker, a customer can make how many nominees? Okay, so you have to answer this question correctly, guys. For a safe deposit locker, a customer can make how many nominees? Everyone, please answer this question. So, yes, for a safe deposit locker, a customer can choose to have a more than one nominee, not necessarily two. It can be three also, it can be four also. More than one is the appropriate answer for this, right? Okay. Next question. We have to choose the incorrect statement about the definition of the consumer. Now we have to choose the incorrect statement, everyone. Please listen it carefully. As per the Act, a person is called a consumer who avails the service and buy any goods for self-use. Okay. Next, worth to mention that if a person buys any goods or avail any service for the resale or commercial purposes, he or she considered as a consumer. The definition covers only online transaction through teleshopping, direct selling, or multi-level marketing. So you have to answer this question correctly. We have to choose the incorrect statement regarding the definition of the consumer. We have to answer this question correctly. Everyone, please answer this question correctly. You can all answer this question. Hema, Rigved, Ruchi, Krishna, Somu, please answer this question. Gopal, answer this question. Read out and answer this question. We have to choose the incorrect statement here. We have to choose the incorrect statement, guys. Incorrect statement here. Let's choose the incorrect statement here. Everyone, incorrect statement. So, when we are talking about the incorrect statement about the definition of the consumer, first definition, first option is correct because when a person is called as a consumer means he can avail the services and buy any good for the self-use. Correct? There is nothing wrong in the first statement. Worth to mention that if a person buys any good or avail any services for resale or commercial purpose, see, when you are purchasing anything for resale or commercial purpose, you are not considered as a consumer. So second statement is wrong. Whereas if we talk about the third statement, the definition covers only online transaction. No, it is actually valid for online as well as for offline transaction. So second and third, these are the wrong statement and first is the correct statement, right? So C is the correct answer because we have to choose the second statement. We have to choose what? We have to choose the second statement here, right? Everyone, incorrect statement here. Okay, done. Done, guys. Yes or no? Done. Any doubt? No. Next question. Let's see. What is one of the key role of the merchant bankers in the capital market? See, merchant bankers. What is the role of the merchant bankers in a capital market? Offer saving accounts to individual, facilitating initial public offering for corporation, managing personal loans for consumer, conducting currency exchange transaction. Everyone, please answer this question, guys. What is one of the key roles of merchant bankers in the capital market? What is one of the key role of the merchant bankers in the capital market? Everyone, please answer this question. What is one of the key roles of the merchant bankers in the capital market? Everyone, just please answer this question, guys. Okay. So when we are talking about key roles of merchant bankers in a capital market, yes. So merchant bankers, they are actually helping you to initiate initial public offering, or you can say help with them, you all to raise funding from the public, right? Helps you to what to just offer the red herring perspective or perspectives, right? So initial public offering helps to raise the shares. Okay, so these are the rules of the merchant banker. So B is the correct answer here. So B is the correct answer here, right? Done. Next, one of the key role, we are asking about one of the key roles. So the key role is initial public offering. Okay, next question. We have to choose the correct statement here. Now again, we have to choose the correct statement here, everyone. Okay, time deposits are payable on demand. Time deposits are payable on demand. Demand deposits are repaid after expiry of a deposit period. The deposit in the current account are working funds of the business or enterprises and fluctuate widely and not paid any interest. Saving bank accounts are to inculcate saving habit and facilitate regular transaction through banking system and attract interest. Term deposit are for investing surplus fund for short to long term. Everyone, you have to answer this question correctly, guys. Everyone, you have to answer this question correctly. We have to choose the correct statement here. We have to choose the correct statement here. Correct statement here. We can all answer this question. Very easy question, right? We can all answer this question. We have to choose the correct statement here. Yes, first of all, see, time deposits are payable on demand. No, it is wrong. Time deposit actually are paid after expiry or a maturity period, right? Demand deposits are repaid after expiry. No, demand deposits actually are payable on the demand. Wrong statement. The deposits in the current account are the working fund of the business. True, they attract no interest. True. Saving accounts are to inculcate saving habit. Very good. True. Term deposit are for investing surplus fund for short to long term. Right. So 3, 4, and 5 are correct. First and seconds are incorrect statement. Yes, so C is the correct answer. Everyone is correct here. Gopal, Krishna, Hema, everyone is correct here, right? Everyone. Correct answer. True. Now, next question. The objective of the payment banks are to further financial inclusion by providing what? The objective of the payment banks are to further financial inclusion by providing what? Small saving accounts. Second, payment and remittance services to the migrant labor workforce, low income household and small businesses, other recognized sector entities and users. So you have to choose. Both are correct, both are incorrect. Only one is correct, only second is correct. Everyone, please answer this question. Payment bank. So we have already discussed about the payment bank. We have already discussed about the payment bank. Yes or no? We have already discussed about the payment bank. Everyone, please answer this question. Which of the following is true about the payment bank? Okay, so both are the correct statement. Payment bank offers you the small saving account, true, and especially they focus on the payment and remittance facilities to migrant labor workforce, low income households, small businesses, other unorganized sector, true. Actually, tell me, what is the limit of accepting deposit from the public in a small saving account? So here, what is the limit for the payment bank? So how much demand deposit a payment bank can accept from a customer? Everyone, please answer this question. How much is actually the limit for accepting demand deposit from the public for payment bank in a small saving account? So the correct answer is what? Yes, 2 lakh. Correct, Gopal and Hema. 2 lakh is the correct answer. Both are very important. So yes, A is the correct answer. Both are the correct statement, and 2 lakh is the limit. True, everybody. Okay. Good. Next question. Review of the risk categorization of the customer is carried out at every 2 month, 3 month, 5 month, or 6 month. Okay, you have to answer this question. Again, an easy question. You can easily answer this question. Overall, I have told you overall. So the correct answer is what, everyone? Review of the risk categorization of the customer is carried out at least every 6 months, right? So you know that there is a risk categorization of the customer into a high risk, medium risk, and low risk customer, right? When we are talking about the review of risk categorization, this is done in at least every 6 month. Okay, done. So the correct answer is D here. Next, choose the correct statement regarding the Rural Self Employment Training Institute. Okay, so I'm just switching off. No, okay, you are seeing the question correctly, right? So Rural Self Employment Training Institute are the initiative of Ministry of Child and Welfare to provide dedicated infrastructure in each district for imparting training and skill upgradation. These are managed by bank with the active cooperation from the central government only. Each RSETI is expected to offer 30 to 40 skill development programs in one financial year of at least 1 to 6 week duration, covering the areas like agriculture, product, process, and the general program. So you have to choose the correct statement regarding the RSETI. You have to choose the correct statement regarding the RSETI. Everyone, please answer this question. Easily, you can answer this question. We have to choose the correct statement here. Krishna Balkrishnan is saying D, right? So, what is wrong in the first statement? What is wrong in the second statement? You have to tell this also. What is wrong in the first statement and what is wrong in the second statement? You have to tell this also. Everyone. So, what is wrong in the first statement and what is wrong in the second statement? You have to answer this also. So, when we are talking about this particular correct statement, Rural Self Employment Training Institute, remember I have already explained this in the class, right? So, RSETI, these are the initiative of Ministry of Child and Welfare to provide dedicated infrastructure in each district. So, this is true, but it is the initiative of Ministry of Child and Welfare. This is wrong. Ministry is not Ministry of Child and Welfare, it is Ministry of Rural Development Initiative, MORD, right? So that's why first is the wrong statement. Okay, second is these are managed by the bank with the active cooperation from the central government only. No, it can be managed by the active cooperation of central as well as the state government. Both have to cooperate with the banks, and so second is the wrongest statement and third is the correct statement. So if we talk about the correct answer, yes, D is the correct answer because only third is the correct statement here. Everyone, any doubt in this question, guys? Did you all are enjoying this? Everyone, this you all are enjoying this particular thing? Yes or no? Done. Everyone, at least just please like the video, guys. Whoever is watching this session, at least just like the video. Okay. Prevention of money laundering and regulation stipulates that the bank must designate following functionaries for meeting PMLA obligation. Okay, so which of the following are the two posts which every bank must designate for meeting the Prevention of Money Laundering Act obligation? We have to answer designated director and principal officer, managing partner and whole time partner, managing director and whole time director, and none of the above. So we have to choose the correct statement here, everyone, you guys. We have to choose the correct statement here. Yes, so designated director and principal officer, these are the two must appoint post for the bank for following this prevention of money laundering rules and Prevention of Money Laundering Act, right? So, correct statement is A. Very good, everyone. Very important. CPO and designated director. The functions are important as well as the designation itself is very important. You have to focus on this particular area of a theory part, right? You have to focus on this theory part, right? Next, we have to choose the item of OPD for KYC purpose. So officially valid document for KYC purpose, we have to choose the item for that. Passport, driving license, proof of possession of Aadhaar number, voter's identity card issued by Election Commission of India, job card by Narega, and letter issued by National Population Registrar. So which of the following are the items for officially valid document for KYC purpose? Everyone, please answer this question. Officially valid document for KYC purpose. Everyone, we have to choose the correct statement. Ruchi, Rigved, Hema, Krishna, Gopal, everyone, you have to answer this question correctly. So, if we talk about the correct answer, see, we have the passport, right? Driving license, yes. Proof of possession of Aadhaar number, voter's identity card, job card by Narega, letter issued by National Population Register. Just read out all of these. Just remember all of these. These are all the six items which are accepted as an officially valid document for the KYC purpose. PAN is not included. This is the very important point. Okay, so B is the correct answer here. B is the correct answer. True. Next question. Every month, cross-border wire transfer report must be delivered to Financial Intelligence Unit India by dash of the following month. Means Financial Intelligence Unit India report, you all remember. Financial Intelligence Unit India report, right? So there are some transactions which need to be reported, especially if it is related to the cross-border wire transaction, and this should be delivered to the Financial Intelligence Unit India by every 15th of the month, right? Now, there are some special transactions, like, for example, the 50,000 limit. See, if the transactions are 50,000 and above, then you need to report it to the Financial Intelligence Unit India if it is a cross border wire transfer report, right? Or if it is cross border wire transaction, right? So, if the 50,000 and above threshold limit is matched, but if a banker has suspect that there is a particular customer who intentionally want to avoid this 50,000 limit by doing a series of transaction, then you also have to report this transaction to the Financial Intelligence Unit India, which is very important. So C is the correct answer here. C is the correct answer here, everyone. Correct. C is the correct answer here. Done. Next question. See, now you have to choose the correct statement regarding the positive pay system in the bank. You have to choose the correct statement regarding the positive pay system in a bank. Okay, so all account holder issuing checks for amount 50,000 and above must use the positive pay system. Customer have the direction, has the discretion to choose whether to avail themselves of the positive pay system for the check of 50,000 and above. A bank must make the positive pay system optional for all the checks, including those of 5 lakhs and above. Bank can choose to make the positive pay system mandatory specifically for the check which is of 5 lakh and above. You have to choose the correct statement here. Very good question. Positive pay system. What is a positive pay system? Reconfirming the details of the check if it is a large amount check. So reconfirming the details from the drawer. That is called as the positive pay system. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the positive pay system? You have to read it out and answer this question correctly. Everyone, just read it out and answer this question correctly, guys. Please answer this question, everyone. We have to choose and answer this question correctly, guys. So Hema is saying B, Ruchi is also saying B, and everyone else, please answer this question. Positive pay system, everyone. Where is Krishna? Where is Rigved? Where is Gopal? And where is Somu? Okay. Where is everyone? Just please answer. Where are everyone? Just please answer this question. Very important. Bal Krishna. Where is Krishna? Answer this question correctly. Very easy. See, two things you have to remember. If there is a check of 50,000 and above, bank should have to make this facility available to all the customer if they are issuing the check of 50,000 and above. Now it is up to them whether they want to avail it or not avail it. This is the first condition. Second, bank have to make it mandatory for all those check if the value is 5 lakh and above. So mandatory in the case of 5 lakh and above. So mandatory in the case of 5 lakh and above. Fourth is the correct statement. It is not optional for 5 lakh and above. Whereas when we are talking about 50,000 and above, it is the choice of the customer. It is not the compulsion, right? So if you are saying that all the account holders issuing the checks of 50,000 and above must use the positive pay system for, there is a discretion of choice that has been given to the customer whether they want to choose it for or not to choose it if the check is 50,000 and above. So yes, second and fourth are the correct statement. So B is the correct answer. Yes, everyone, B is the correct answer. Okay. Good question, everyone. Any doubt in this question? If you have any doubt, you are free to ask your doubt, everyone. And please, just please like and share the video. And everyone, it's a very important request for all of you. Again, I am saying that sometime I just share the link at the last moment in the group to all of you. Please just subscribe to this channel. I am going to take a lot of marathons for you all, a lot of useful marathons for you all. Okay. So, guys, this whole month you are just going to have a practice marathons from my side, right? So all you have to do is to subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon so that whenever I'm going to have a marathon for all of you, that marathon should be there in this particular thing, in this particular channel. So if you are pressing the bell notification icon, you will be get a notification, you will be notified by the YouTube itself. So kindly just do that. Okay, good. Everyone, you guys done? Next question. CERSAI, Central Registry for Securitization, Asset Reconstruction and Securities or Interest of India. This is authorized by whom? RBI in interest with the scheduled commercial bank, Government of India, RBI, or none of the above. CERSAI, Central Registry of Securitization, Assets Reconstruction and Securities Interest of India. This is authorized by whom? Everyone. This is authorized by whom? Everyone, we have to answer this question. This is authorized by whom? Everyone, please answer this question. CERSAI is authorized by, obviously, Government of India. To what? CERSAI has been authorized for by the Government of India. So CERSAI, we all remember that yes, CERSAI is a very important thing. Okay, so Government of India is the correct answer, right? Everyone, yes or no? Acha, for what purpose the CERSAI has been authorized by the government? Acha, tell me this if you all remember. For what purpose, for what specific purpose CERSAI has been authorized by the government of India? For what specific purpose? You can answer this question. So see, there is a central KYC record registry. Yes, central KYC record registry. It is actually an entity which is authorized to receive, store, safeguard, and retrieve the KYC records in of a customer in a digital format. And for doing this, for performing the function of CKYCR, there is CERSAI which has been authorized by the central government. Both the things are very important for all of you. Okay. Okay, done. So why everyone is leaving the session? This is a very important session indeed. You are not actually taking it into consideration, but I am telling you, whatever the questions I am asking you, whatever the question I am here, practice you. This is very, very important for all of you. So don't just please miss out this session. This is very important. Okay, just please don't miss out this session. Done. Next question. Dash is the process by which people improve their knowledge and understanding of the use of financial product and services. Financial literacy, financial knowledge, financial understanding, or financial schooling. Dash is the process by which people improve their knowledge and understanding of the use of financial product and services. Very easy. You can all answer this question. Very easy. You can all answer this question, guys. Everyone. So, yes, if the people are improving their knowledge and understanding for the use of the financial product and services, this is called as what? Yes, this is called as the financial literacy. FL. Financial literacy. So, A is the correct answer. True. Next. Ravi, a new customer, just listen out this. It is a case study, very important. Just focus on this and answer this question. This type of case studies are very important for you all. Okay. Ravi is a new customer, opens a online account with the bank using OTP based E-KYC linked to his Aadhaar. Okay. In the first quarter of the financial year, Ravi deposited 90,000 in his account. During the same period, he received a credit totaling of 1.5 lakh. He also takes a term loan of 50,000 to fund a personal project. At the end of the first quarter, Ravi plans to make an additional deposit and apply for another loan. Which of the following action can Ravi take without violating the restriction imposed on non-face to face customer? So you get, this is the question regarding the restrictions which are imposed on non-face to face customer, right? Restriction. What are the restrictions which are imposed on non-face to face customer? So I have told you, if you are a non-face to face customer, means you are a OTP based E-KYC customer, right? Then, first of all, your aggregate deposit should not exceed 1 lakh. So, aggregate deposit maximum limit is what? 1 lakh. Okay. Now, your aggregate credits cannot exceed 2 lakhs in a year. Okay. And you are eligible for borrowing a term loan of rupees 60,000 only in a financial year. So, these are the restrictions that are imposed on you. So, in the first quarter, Ravi deposited 90,000 into the bank account. 90,000 deposit Ravi made into his bank account means the additional now is only 10,000 left, because you cannot have a deposit of more than 1 lakh in your bank account if you are a E-KYC linked customer. Okay. So here only 10,000 is left. Now, during the same period, the credits is totaling 1.5 lakh. Maximum credits you are allowed to have 2 lakh. Okay, so 50,000 is here, which is left from the limit. And the term loan of 50,000, so additional 10,000 term loan you can borrow. Okay, so now see, he can deposit additional 20,000. No, 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 first is wrong. He can deposit 10,000 true and apply for a term loan of rupees 10,000. This is the correct statement. He can deposit 5,000 and apply for a term loan of 60,000, more, wrong. So B is the correct statement here. Very good. B is the correct statement here. So did you like the question? Did you like the level of the question, everyone? So I have told you I am just going to start the practice session in the crackers batch. And when I'm going to start the crackers batch, okay, the MCQ session in the Oliveboard app, I am going to tell you these type of question. These are my main focus where you have to use your mind. Now, in these type of question, two things are covered. Okay, first, you are very well aware of all the situations where you will remember. Okay, then you have a following case study. Okay, so these type of questions are very important for all of you, right? Everyone, good? Done. Next question. Banks are required to maintain a record of all transaction from the date of transaction for a period of 5 year, 8 year, 10 years, or no need to maintain. You can answer this question very easy. You can answer this question very easy. You can answer this question very easy. Everyone, please answer this question. Everyone, at least just please like the video. Whoever is watching this video, at least just please like the video. And you are not giving feedbacks to the comment section. No, guys, you are not giving feedbacks to the comment section. So feedbacks are very important. So last, I have told you in the last IEFS module, just please give your feedback. No one has given the feedbacks in the comment section. Okay, you have to take just 1 minute extra to give your feedback in the comment section, guys. Okay, so bank are required to maintain a record of all transaction from the date of transaction for a period of 5 year, 8 year, 10 year, or no need to maintain. So yes, they have to maintain for a period of 5 year. Okay, this is very important. They have to maintain for a period of 5 years. A is the correct answer here, right? Next, we have to choose the correct statement here. It requires a minimum of 5 members for the incorporation of a public limited company, and there is no upper limit. It requires a minimum of 2 members and a maximum of 200 members for the incorporation of a private limited company. A company in which 50% or more shares are held by one or more central or state government, including a subsidiary, is called as a government company. Choose the correct statement here. No, not 10, it is 5 year. For a period of 5 year, Hema, not 10. Okay, you have to choose the correct statement here, guys. Everyone just choose the correct statement here. Shirish, hi, good morning. You are late in the class. A good 40-minute late in the class. Okay, this is not good. Rigwe, Shirish, you are a very uh, you are a regular student, so please just don't miss out these sections, marathon session. This is actually for you all. Okay, getting nothing from these marathon sessions, right? Why I'm going to have these marathon sessions? Just to make you all practice and well versed with all the theories which we have read in the class, right? So this is actually gold for all of you, right? So just please understand the importance of these particular chapters or these particular marathon, because the questions are very important. I have framed questions by myself. Okay, you are going to get a very good knowledge of the questions, and you are very well aware that how you have to solve the questions in your examination, right? So don't miss out this session. Okay, everyone. Sunil, A. So we have to choose the correct statement here. It required a minimum of 5 members for incorporation of a public limited company. Everyone, please answer this question. 5. For a public limited, there is a minimum 7 members required and maximum no. Maximum, there is no upper limit, true, but a minimum of not 5, 7 members are required. So first is wrong. Second, it requires a minimum of 2 member and the maximum of 200 member. Minimum of 2, maximum of 200 member, true, right? A company where 50% or more shares are in the hand of central or state government. 50% or more. No 50%, it is actually 51% or more. Okay, so it is wrong. Okay, so it is also wrong. First is wrong, third is wrong. Only second is correct. So A is the correct answer here. A is the correct answer here. Hema, Ruchi, Gopal, Sanjay, Rigved, Sunil, Shirish, everyone. Yes or no? Correct? Any doubt in this question? Yes or no? Any doubt in this question? Yes or no? Clear? Can we move to the next question, everyone? Can we move to the next question, everyone? No doubt? Clear? Good. Okay. Rajesh files a RTI request with the Public Information Officer of his local government office on January 1st, seeking information about a public development project in his area. On January 15th, he follows up with the PIO but receives no response. Rajesh, feeling frustrated, decide to file an appeal for the non-compliance of the RTI Act, Right to Information Act. Which of the following statement is most accurate regarding with the situation of Rajesh? Rajesh request is deemed refuse at the PIO failed to respond within 30 days limit, allowing him to appeal. Rajesh's request is deemed accepted as the PIO failed to respond within 30 days limit, allowing him to appeal. I'm just switching off the camera so that you can just read out the question carefully, okay? Rajesh cannot file an appeal as the request is deemed refused or none of the above. You have to answer this question. Now, it is again a very good question. It is regarding Right to Information Act. Public Information Officer Right to Information Act, January 1, January 15th. Very important. Read out the question carefully. There are some hidden details in this. Please answer this question. Everyone, please answer this question. Okay. Everyone, you have to answer this question. Read out, answer this question. Okay, take your time. Read out, answer this question. Take your time, read out, and answer this question. Take your time, read out, answer this question. Yes, Ruchi. Okay, Sunil is saying B, Krishna is saying B. Rajesh request is deemed accepted as the PIO failed to respond within 30 days limit, allowing him to appeal. See, when public information officer fails to respond to you within the 30 days limit, see on January 1 and 15, they fails to respond you within a 30 days limit. It means that first of all, your request is refused. When the PIO is not able to respond you within this particular time period, then it is actually what your request has been refused. Okay, but when your request is refused, still you as a person can file an appeal against the PIO decision. You have the power to make an appeal against the PIO's order, right? So, when we are talking about this particular thing, so deemed accepted cannot be the answer. Now, from A and C, we have to choose because it is deemed refused. If the PIO fails to respond within 30 days, yes, it is deemed refused. True. But now, in C, it is saying that you cannot file an appeal, which is wrong. Still, you have the flexibility that you can file an appeal against the PIO order. So A is the correct answer here. And that's why A is the correct answer here, everyone. A is the correct answer here, guys. Everyone. Understood this question? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone. Still, you have any doubt in this question? Please ask your doubt, everyone. If you have any doubt, you are allowed to ask your doubt, everyone. Clear? No doubt? Everything is clear? Good. Yes. Done. So these type of question you will be getting in the crackers batch. When I'm going to start the crackers batch, when I'm going to start the this is actually one of the question which I have framed for that particular paid classes, but I have given this in the YouTube as well to make you very well aware that this will be going a good mental exercise for all of you. All the MCQ session which I am going to take in the paid class is a good mental exercise for all of you. Why? Because these type of case studies I'm going to have in this particular thing. Okay, done. Okay, so last question of the class. Okay, how many designated partners should be appointed as per the limited liability partnership agreement? How many designated partners should be appointed as per the limited liability partnership agreement? At least one, at least two, at least three, at least four. Everyone. How many designated directors or partners should be appointed as per the limited liability agreement? LLP, at least two, right? Good. Sunil, Shirish, Rigubed, Gopal, Sanjay. But 30 days limit not exhausted. Yes, it is not exhausted. But I have to check which of the following is most accurate regarding this situation. 30 days limit is not crossed. Still, if Rajesh decide to file an appeal, they have the flexibility, right? Because 30 days is now here, the limit is 30 days. Maybe you can say on, for example, Feb 15th. Okay, Feb 15, you can say this. Okay, sometime while framing the question, I'm not having the exact date. Feb 15, you just choose Feb 15 in this case, right? Now, what is the answer? A is the answer, right? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay. So Feb 15, you can say it is Feb 15. Then it is the right question. Yes or no? Sometimes I also make some mistake in the class. Don't worry. But January 1st, now Feb 15. Now it is good. 30 days limits are exhaust. Okay. Now Rajesh want to decide or file an application for the non-compliance of RTI Act. Now what is the correct station? Feb 15 is okay. Okay. Done. Right. Good. Done. So this is it. This is the complete marathon for all of you. I hope that you have all enjoyed this class completely. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Okay, make sure that you just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, it's a request guys that please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. See, now we have a paid class from 8 a.m. Okay, so join everyone to the paid class, right? So we have the paid class from 8 a.m. Everyone, thank you so much guys for joining this session. I hope that you have all enjoyed this session very much. Now, thank you so much. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Hema. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Ruchi, Sharmila. Thank you, Sunil, Shirish. Thank you, Gopal, everyone who have joined this session. Yes, indeed, it's a very good session, right? So just if you have missed out anything, you have to just watch this video again. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye, guys.